once they do this, I'm gonna lose my license.
Well, here's the thing. They have you on several different accounts doing this at this store and the 𝐸𝐵𝐿 store. So this isn't your first time doing it.
No, the first time I got caught. I'm not gonna lie.
The first time. Hey, yo.
You're good. You can keep going.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good. You can keep going, sir.
Okay, they've been watching you on the camera the whole time, and you didn't take it. Okay? We know where we're at here, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna see what's in here, all right? No.
Stop.
Yeah. Stand over here.
Yeah, we're just gonna detain you, all right?
Okay. Look at the other people.
Stop moving. Yeah, hang here.
First day.
Just hang out, all right? I'm gonna get you a total for regular. You really give that to him? That was in there too.
No, it was. I paid for it. It was there.
Yeah,
I paid for it. The receipt is in the bag.
Sure, stand away from this.
You're good with that? I'm trying to check the receipt, make sure that's in there. Goya, jasmine rice. Is the rice on the receipt?
The rice, I don't believe so. I can pull it real quick.
Right there?
There was another bag. I was just making sure.
There's one in here too.
Okay.
Yeah, that was my one.
How much?
142. He says you've hit it before, but he doesn't have everything right now.
Okay.
I can show you guys the video if you want to see it.
Oh, we see. We're good with that.
Yeah.
We just,
So it's going to be a DP.
You see your license just like the first and last name.
Yeah. And then, when was the last time she hit you guys?
I can check, but she's been hitting here in 𝐸𝐵𝐿. So we ran her price plus card and stuff she's paying for. Looks like she lives there and works around here. So she's been hitting us when she comes here after work.
But you don't have the total? How long would that take you?
I have to turn off the video. I think I've got 5 or 6 instances I observed on her.
Okay.
So I can get it for you.
Alright, let's see what we want to do here.
It's going to be...
I'll get her.
What did he say? Can I talk to you for a second?
What's up?
The thing is, I just got my job. I just graduated as a nurse, and like if it shows up on the for the nursing, then I'm gonna lose my license. And I just bought my house.
I get what you're saying, man, but there's really nothing. There's nothing we could do about it, though.
How you guys making out?
Hey, stay right. Just stay back here, man.
I just wanted to know the total.
They don't have a total for the other one.
You guys are good. You can come through.
First time you've done this. Chocolate.
Massachusetts 5 X-ray, Bravo X-ray. I'm on 15 minutes.
one?
This one, this one.
Yeah.
So, what was the total?
$142.
So can I say something to you, please?
Sure.
I know it's your thing. I'm willing. And the thing is, sir, I just got my house. I had kids. I just started RN school, and I know
Is this the first time this ever happened to you?
Yeah, and I know
Okay.
once they do this, I'm gonna lose my license.
Well, here's the thing. They have you on several different accounts doing this at this store and the 𝐤𝐫𝐵𝐞 store. So this isn't your first time doing
No,
it.
no, the first time I got caught. I'm not gonna lie.
The first time.
Once they do this, I'm gonna lose my license.
Well, here's the thing. They have you on several different accounts doing this at this store and the 𝐤𝐫𝐵𝐞 store. So this isn't your first time doing
No,
it.
no, the first time I got caught. I'm not gonna lie.
The first time you
But
got
if you
caught.
give me a warning, I promise you.
That's not something
No,
that's
I know. I promise you. If you just give me a warning, sir, please. It's the first time I'm getting caught, but I just started. I'm paying for my RN school. I could show you my license. I just got my LPN. I just paid for my RN, and I know they're gonna take my license. And I just bought my house. Here, please.
Again, that's not my choice.
Yeah, but can I
Police
speak to
officers
somebody? It's less than 200. I just don't want it to show up because I just
We
got
understand
this
that,
job.
but we have to take into account the other times that you've done
Yeah,
it.
but then, sir, you are guilty until you get caught. Like now, I feel the
Well, that's-
consequences. I promise
I
I will
understand,
never
but-
do it again. You could put this in all the stores. I promise I will never do it. I just don't want to use my license. My kids, my baby that died. I'm the only source of income. I don't have nobody. I have kids. That's why I do this.
But we also have a job.
I
too.
know.
Right?
But I'm saying like I really use a person pay. I just don't want it. I just please. I'm like,
All right, well, we got to see how much the other time you took was.
No, I didn't take enough the other time. I just basically the most I take is like 2 pieces of meat, and then I pay for like,
Seafood
huh?
and some seafood.
Yeah, like meat. That's the only thing I take.
That adds up.
I know, but
You know, you do that 3-4 times, that's $300-400 right there. You're taking from the
that's what
store.
I'm saying, sir. I could show you. I just got my job. I just need you to understand. I'm a nurse. I'm a single parent. My kids dad died, and that's why I came here and I started doing this. I promised I was gonna start. Once I get my license and start working enough money, I just got this job.
Here's the deal. Either way, if we charge you, they're going to charge you either way. But either way, you're going to get a shop.
Yeah, but the thing is, I just don't want to go in the system.
Either way,
It's gonna go in the system.
Then I don't want to keep. The thing is, if you have a habit and you want to stop, right? If you want to stop something, then how am I going to keep it? I'm going to go here and have to keep it.
how fast will it
I don't want to do that. Just please. Please, I just don't want to do that. I just don't want to do it.
All right, if not, then we don't need to. If it was like